Alrighty, everybody. Skip Jeffries again. Sunday afternoon, just minute afternoon here. But anyways, back out in the garage here, hopefully to complete the operation hang the wreath this year. We got our 3D printed part here, and we've got the wreath here. As you can see, this is a big boy. It's huge. But anyways, we're gonna try to attempt to hang this probably a good 20-30 pound behemoth onto the house, and let's get to it here. See if we can arrange some cameras here and make it happen. Yeah, hopefully I haven't been able to review any of the footage yet, so we don't know what's going on with all this action here. I do know I want to see if we can pull this camera head up just a smidge. All right, this will set here for now. We'll go grab the ladder and climb up there to see if everything's dry. All right, let's see how much wobble we got here. Got the handy dandy telescope and ladder. I don't know if you guys can see here, we made a mod. Kind of added some foam padding onto the end of it. Wanted to, how would you put it? See if we can save on the old brick on the house here. I noticed it was kind of scraping up and taking the paint off the ladder itself, which isn't good. And as you can see here, I'm getting to be quite the pro with this dang thing. Maybe. All right. Get my legs ready for climbing this thing. It's kind of cold this morning. All right, I think we are somewhat straight. Maybe. All right, up the rickety. Oof. And it does look like our glue is dry, so let's see if this 3D print cone fits in the inside. I don't know why I screwed it on so far. Okay, I think that'll add on enough rigidity. And the fit looks good. Let's see if we can get our washers on there. Just do once. And we're not gonna smoke this down, we're just gonna finger tight it. And I think that should do. And I think that might actually work. Now we just got to figure out a way of hooking the wreath onto this thing. I'll probably have to push the ladder over a little more. I don't want to reach too far with this thing. But I think that should work. Yeah, we don't want to smoke it. So I think that'll hold. Put the spare hardware back in the old pocket. Yeah, probably got a view of my ankles. But yeah, we're probably a good 15, maybe 17 feet up in the air. Oof. Boy, that thing is just rickety. Ooh. And having that foam kind of lessened that kickback that we got with this thing. Anyways, I think that'll work. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that wreath and see if we can put that bad boy on there. Let's attempt this. Try not to kill ourselves in the process here. Come on, nut. All right. Easy does it here. Yeah, what I think I will do is just do a test to see if it'll hang up there. I won't plug it in because if it falls down, it rips off half my light. So we're just gonna kind of let it sit here for a couple hours and make sure that everything holds. Looked like the JB weld was pretty much cured, so no worries there. Guess we'll put some stuff away and kind of see if the wife notices when she comes home. Alrighty, folks. Finally finished the project here. We'll see if we can turn this camera around. Thought there was an option on here. But anyways, the grand reveal. Operation Christmas Wreath is complete, folks. So a lot of hard work went into this. I think it took longer cutting the rod than it did anything else going in and going up and down that rickety ladder. But anyways, I'm glad to say that we are done. Just a quick tour of what we got going up here if you haven't seen the other video. But yeah, that's our main entryway, and like I said, she does a phenomenal job every year making sure that looks awesome. Our little side lights here, a little slice of heaven, and then we've got the reindeer here. Get the full ambiance on it. But yeah, like I said, folks, this is our little slice of Christmas with the added bonus of the wreath. Kind of glad that turned out this year. Finally glad I got this thing up. And when she came home, she was pretty happy. So it's money in the bank, and I was glad I was able to accomplish the goal this year. Hopefully it'll stay up. We'll see. I plugged in the lights, so I had it up for at least 3 hours. So I don't think it's going anywhere. I'm hoping it'll stay. But anyways, I just want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.